Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete any character that you have created on the Toca Boca World game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Toca Boca World game on your device, and once you open it up, you can start the game, where you will be able to access the various different game levels and locations that you are provided with. Now, within all of the levels, you will be able to create various different characters. In order to do this, just tap on the shapes icon at the top right corner and you will see the plus character icon. Go ahead and click on this and you will now be taken into the character creation menu. Here you will be shown the various different characters that you have created, and you can also create new ones by tapping on the plus icon. If you wish to delete any character that you have created, just select this character and then tap and hold on the undo button. Once you tap on this and hold for a little while, this character will now be removed and the slot will be replaced with an empty character that you can now create. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete any characters that you have created on the Toca Boca World game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.